In this video, we will show you how to use the Utility Status tab of the North Carolina Water Supply dashboard. The Utility Status tab shows the current water resource status for a selected utility. Starting with the map panel, the utility layer is loaded by default, showing water utility boundaries. Utilities that have provided data to the North Carolina Water Supply dashboard appear as semi-transparent gray polygons with black borders. Only these utilities are available for further exploration. Utilities that have not provided data to the North Carolina Water Supply dashboard appear as a semi-transparent light gray polygon with no borders. Using your computer mouse, you can hover over any utility polygon to get some basic information about that utility, such as the utility name, ID number, and whether any data is available on the dashboard. You can select a utility three ways: by clicking on the map, by using the Select Utility dropdown, or by entering an address in the search bar. Once selected, a utility with available data will be highlighted on the map with a thick black border around it. When you select a utility, the information panel shows several items: the selected water utility, the current water conservation status, and the date the status was last updated, a link to the utility's service area page. The first table shown has the activities and permissions allowed or restricted for each conservation category provided by the selected utility, with the current status highlighted in yellow if available. The second table shows the streamflow conditions for the selected utility's water source. This table is generated by the stream gauge data within the watershed boundaries of the selected utility's water source. To view these watersheds, head back to the map and turn on the water source layer. To calculate streamflow categories within each utility's boundary, historical streamflow data from the USGS streamflow sites are used to calculate streamflow categories. The latest stream gauge data is sorted by streamflow category, ranging from extremely dry to extremely wet, and grouped with other sites within each water source. For example, for the Durham City Water Utility as of August 27, 2023, 6 of 15, or 40% of stream gauges within the utility's watershed are categorized as having extremely dry conditions. You can access more detailed stream gauge data by viewing the Surface Water tab. For additional assistance about this tab, use the Help button. The next video in this series will cover how to use the Demand Data tab. You can find all the videos in this series on the Internet of Water Coalition's website and YouTube channel. Links to both are provided on the screen and in the video description. Thank you for watching.